I'm Cora Easterday, and this is Destination Hot Springs.
All right, I'm headed to Hot Springs for the 4th of July fireworks on Lake Hamilton. I'm so excited. First thing on my list is sunglasses and my attire. I think I got everything. I'm not sure if I did. I have to go through my checklist. First things up, my fan. I had to have my fan. Let's see, what else did I need? I have an umbrella, Mountain Valley water, my ice chest, snacks. Of course, I have to have snacks and Dr. Peppers and flotation device, my American
ice chest, ice in my ice chest, drinks, snacks, bug spray because it's summertime in Arkansas, Yeti cup, blankets, towels, earplugs for later, lawn chairs, cards for playing games, flashlight for tonight, reflectors so people can see me, baby wipes, carabiners, floats, life jacket, portable radio. Being on the lake in the summertime is my jam. Being on the lake for the 4th of July is even better. Whether in a boat, afloat, or on the shore, watching from Lake Hamilton is a great family-friendly way to spend the holiday, and my favorite way to celebrate the 4th. So bring your friends and family to Lake Hamilton this 4th of July and enjoy Independence Day with us here in Hot Springs National Park. For a complete calendar of events, visit hotsprings.org.